So you guys, I have washed and deep conditioned this hair and I applied it. I probably can go in and do, or I probably will go in and do more customizing to the front, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks before I flat iron it. Oh, I also want to show you guys how the parting space looks too. Isn't this color so beautiful? Oh my gosh, Lord. So here's the parting space. I'm gonna say it's like 5 to 6 inches. It's pretty decent. And given that this color is like it's a number 4, it's like a chestnut brown, you probably won't see the parting as good. Caught all up in your feelings. So I wanted to come back in and show you guys how this hair is looking. This is the natural state, and this is how the hair looks with one pass on my Remington flat iron. I might leave a link down below, so if you're interested in this flat iron, just check down below. It was super affordable. But look how gorgeous this hair is looking. Oh my gosh. And I think it looks just as great in its natural state. But of course, ow, I am so feeling this. Okay, you guys, this is my finished look that I came up with. Let me know down below how you're feeling it. I just went in and did a French braid on the side, and I put this little cute, I forgot what you call these things, hair decoration. I just put that right there just to give it a little bit of pop. And I threw just the slightest amount of layers in the front right here, and I threw 2 curls so you guys can see how well this hair curls. And I've been on Snapchat acting a fool for like 20 minutes or so, so I'm gonna say that this curl has been in my head for like at least 20 to 30 minutes. So there you have it. This hair does hold a curl. Before I give you guys like the details about this wig, can we just get into this color one more time? Y'all, this texture and this color against my chocolate skin is popping. Yes, you guys, this is, I'm gonna just get into the details on this wig because I feel like this wig is speaking for itself. This is the second time that I have got a wig from YG Wigs, and they have yet to disappoint. This wig absolutely slayed my life. And if you're interested in the other unit that I reviewed for them, I'm going to link it down below. It's one of the most amazing curly units that I have tried yet today. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now, YG Wigs thus far is OhSo approved. Okay, so this is a 360 lace frontal wig, as you guys seen in the beginning clip of the unboxing. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And the 360 lace means that there's lace all around the perimeter. I showed you guys the parting space already, and in the back there's lace. So if you guys wanted to do like an updo or something like that, which I was thinking about doing, you can pull it off. The texture of this wig is Peruvian Kinky straight. And let me tell you guys, I washed and deep conditioned his hair and it smells so good. I love when virgin hair doesn't have like that chemical like odor. It lets me know that it's quality hair. And speaking of that, this is 8A hair, which means the quality is up there. And their prices are super affordable. I'm going to leave a direct link to this wig as well as a direct link to their website down below so you can check them out. This is 20 inches long, and you guys know that I'm between 5'2" and 5'3", and the hair did come pre-plucked. I feel like I did go in just a little bit, and I feel like I could, camera, don't be playing with me, dog. I feel like I could go in a little bit more, even though, I don't know, I think it's probably the color too, which makes it a little bit harder for you to see the lace peeking through on my melanin skin, you know. But I'm happy with the way that this wig came out. I didn't want to over pluck it, so it could be customized a little bit more, but y'all tell me down below, did I slay? I feel like I did that. And that's how the parting space is looking right now. The only thing that I did was I went in and added some of my pressed powder in it, and I took an old black marker, which is ready to head to the trash can, and I just lightly did some light strokes to make the parting stand out a little bit and kind of give like a faux dark root effect. And I think it came out really nice. The lace on this wig is medium brown, but I feel like it was more on the light brown. But I didn't bleach my knots, which is something that I haven't really dibbled and dabbled in yet, but I want to. But so far, this wig looks amazing without doing all that extra stuff. So if you're new to frontals like me and you're still trying to find your way, I definitely suggest YG Wigs to start with, because you don't have to do too much of customizing to it to make it look really good. And the density on this wig, if I didn't say so already, is 150%. And you guys seen how full it is in its natural state, which is absolutely gorgeous. I think in its natural state, if you like did an updo like ponytail or a bun, it would be so gorgeous. But of course I went in and flat ironed it, as you guys seen, and this is how the texture is looking. I'm just absolutely in love with the combination of the texture of this wig and the color. This is a color number 4, and I just cannot say enough good things about this wig. I'm feeling it. My cap construction is a medium cap construction, so I suggest a medium cap construction if your head is like on the medium to smaller side, because I could have went in and customized like a little bit on the edges, but I didn't, and it still fitted my head really good. So 2 thumbs up. Like if I had more than 2 thumbs, I will give this wig I would give this wig 3 thumbs up, because I'm feeling it. It hasn't, of course this is my first day wearing it, so it's not shedding at all right now, and of course it's not tangling, you know. But I'm gonna tell you from my prior experience, their hair is quality hair. I'm just saying. So let me know your thoughts down below of how you feel about this hair. Am I slaying this color? I feel like it's just the perfect color for fall, but you can transition this color into the summer and spring, or the spring and the summer. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's getting late. I'm about to go, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate everyone who enjoys watching me and thinks that I'm just absolutely cray-cray, but you still love me anyway. I appreciate you all so much. So again, I'll leave all of YGwigs.com information down below. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. I'm in love. I am in love. And thank you guys once again for watching. See you next time. Mwah.